eating a goldfish cracker.
There's a little white bus. He came from me here to us. Here, and here. A train bus. Yes. And he saw us on his back. Ooh, there's one over there. And there's one over there. There's one there. And there's two there. I just found two over there. Come on. There's two over there. There's two over there.
Yep.
Over there, Mommy.
There's two over there.
Yeah. No. One there and two over there. Shoo.
There's a bug on you.
Oh.
Oh, do you want Daddy to shoo it off?
Shoo.
Shoo, shoo. There you go.
There he goes.
I love how Emmett's not at all fussy about a bug landing on him.
Yeah.
Like, at all. What's that newt carry? There's that newt that has something on its right arm.
It's
right
something stuck on its paw, yeah.
Something stuck, huh?
Yeah.
It's a whipped cream thing.
It looks like he's carrying around a ball of poop or something.
Okay. There's a bridge right there. There's a news built.
Oh, that one got the whole leaf. I guess it's hard. They struggle to get it in their mouth.
Oh, Daddy?
Yep.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh, Emmett.